Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert live photos into loop photos or long exposure photos in iPhone smartphones. So without one more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Photos application and just open the live photos which you have captured. So you can see here it's a live photo. So just tap on this down arrow icon. Now you will see here option loop and long exposure. So firstly, let us convert it to loop photos. Just select it. So now you can see here it has become a loop photos, and once again tap on this down arrow icon. Now let us select the long exposure. So now it has been converted into long exposure, as you can see here. Now you can click on this option and you can save it to files. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily convert live photos into loop photos or long exposure photos in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.